guys, this is the part 2 that we're making. Yeah.
Sorry for the rematch because her father is calling.
I'm he. Do I'm a boy?
I mean, her father is calling.
Yeah. And like, and for today, the part 2, and we're introducing ourselves. And this is Zoe. This is, say your real name.
My name is Zoe.
Real name, full name.
Zoe Levin Vidonesa.
And I'm Cyril Jipadu. So, hi!
Whatever.
Let's see that.
Pocacho. Potato. You
What
didn't even
kind?
color it.
No, I didn't even color it.
I'll color it.
You don't even color the face. His face is just like that.
Yeah, whatever.
Are you even done?
Blue. Girl, is this even Pocacho?
This is Picacho.
Ah.
Dalari, dalari.
I kind of want to remove my earrings.
Then remove it. Remove it. Oh, remove it.
I have
Would
two
you look at
kinds
that?
of that. One is the whole Sanrio and one is the Corona.
Yeah.
I don't really need to color it because, you know.
Dalari, dalari.
Oh my gosh, Cyril! You don't need to waste that much.
Yeah. Sold here. Beer sold here.
Yeah, that was we got that from OneCon.
Bro.
I
So
don't
this is the free.
I don't know. It's called bar. We just don't know. Why is it called bar when I do or we do?
Do you remember when we ate here and my ulam is adobo?
Yeah. And did you remember when? Oh yeah, you were not in Easter. I wanted to tell you that
That what?
that when me, Jasmine, Miela, and Athena were eating spaghetti, and I wanted to twist my fork. It just moves the plate like you spin me right.
Yeah.
Oh
We're
yeah.
the 6 besties, and these are us. This is me, this is Zoe, and this is Jasmine, but you still don't know her. And this is Brianna, and you don't know her too. This is Miela, and you don't know her too. This is Athena, and but you don't know her too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then work on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wake
up! You have to work, remember?
Bro, I just still don't have to work. Oh yeah, I need to design more.
You have to do all the. You have to do all the.
What's next? Hello Kitty! Yeah! What does Hello Kitty likes?
She likes her ribbon. Oh my gosh! Why that?
Ribbon? A ribbon, yeah, like a ribbon.
Yeah, like she has a ribbon here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Shuri! So that one?
I like when you say Shuri.
Shuri!
It's like curry.
Sugary! There, yeah. That.
Potato.
Hey, stop saying.
Potato.
Wait, where's Loki? Loki?
He's asleep.
He's totally asleep.
And guys, can you please be quiet because my brother does late.
MJ, look at that. Look at that Hello Kitty.
What kind of look at that?
I don't know what is that.
I'm gonna go get Pocacho.
Slide!
Then my brain is not braining because I forgot who Pocacho is.
Do you know what's wrong in my brain? The right has no left, and the left one has no right.
Yep.
You get it?
I get it. And it kind of
It's
makes
like-
no sense.
Hello, madlang people, mabuhay.
Hey, don't tell him their nationality. It's
Bro, we're living in the Philippines. We're living in the Philippines, but we say English because maybe you can understand Tagalog. Yeah, like, please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe.
If you subscribe, we're gonna make some other more.
And we're gonna sell it, and we're gonna order this to you. Just
Yeah.
not far than the Philippines.
Yeah.
Because it's kinda hard.
Yeah.
We're gonna sell this to our classmates.
Yeah, we're gonna sell this to our classmate. But we are not siblings, okay? You understand?
We're
not
friends.
We're just friends or BFFs. We're not siblings. Do you see our faces?
What does it make a resemblance? I'm white, she's black, she's brown. She's brown.
Not black.
Just kidding, you're white, you're white.
And you're black.
I mean, my father's brown. Like the color.
Bye-bye. Bye. Going down.
Ouch, ouch.
Ow.
I thought you were drowning for a second.
Yeah. Like. Ah.
What in the world, Siren? I mean, Cyril.
I'm not Cyrene.
Sorry. Kinagat ako na lang daw. I mean,
Yeah.
we're so little.
Hey. Ah. I'm gonna get the camera. Ow. And we're in the bars too. Nah. In the bars too.
Can we just work on it now?
Yeah, we're gonna work on it. Just focus. No, it's not funny. The word is not funny, okay? Ow.
Oh no, I'm gonna cut off the Pikachu.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, let me just measure.
Mimi cut. Mimi cut. Mimi cat. I can't.
Too late, I already cut it. Oh.
So we already made 3 of them.
I'm still
Like,
measuring the fourth.
We have Kuromi here, and Cinnamon Roll, and lastly
My melody.
the Melody. So we have 3 famous of them, and just look at those cute cookies. Yeah, we're gonna go.
on it. Hey, you didn't even color it.
Oh yeah. Forgot.
Just color it.
3. Dalari. You can't see my drawing.
Bukiki.
And a bukiki. Do you see? And a bukiki.
La, may bukiki. May bukiti. Bukiti.
Wala, hindi ako butiki.
Butiti. Naku na nga.
Stop!
Hiya, shut up.
This is actually what they made. Only made 2 of them. I hate it. I hate it. Guys, look at her face. She actually has short hair and I have long hair.
You want me to be Sadako again?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not. I'm actually happy with it.
Yeah. Wait. Just wait, okay?
Yeah. While I'm working on Pikachu.
Yeah.
Pikachu. Pikachu. I love Sanrio. The puppies like you.
Oh, they're scared.
They're a little scared. Well,
Why are they not jumping down? Why are they always there?
it's too high for them, remember.
Can I actually get one?
Huh?
Can Can you actually get one?
Yeah, wait. I'm still working on it, remember?
And just why Cupcake is like dying?
She's asleep.
Oh. What's the other one again? The blue eye.
Tommy.
Tommy, get Tommy, get Tommy.
His real name is actually Thomas. Kulas,
Oh.
Kulas Thomas, Mang Kulas, Mang Thomas.
Funny name. So hiya.
Seriously, girl.
Joke lang. I'm just
Nah.
joking. I'm just
I
joking.
I just got
Sorry.
I just got another Pikachu.
Slay.
Pikachu. Oh my gosh, it's gonna off screen again.
Don't stop direction. Wait, there's other.
Where's the others? Wait, let me try it on.
Wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna try
Yes,
it on, so I'm gonna say slay.
No, that's in the thumb.
Oh. And bro's like, slay.
It's actually good for Halloween.
Yeah, good for Halloween.
You can be just the claw or be any animal like cats.
Slay.
Girl, just work on it.
Already done. Wait. Still gonna color.
I forgot the ribbon.
We're gonna color the ribbons. Guys, could you please help me by liking
Hello,
and subscribing?
Hello, they're watching, not happy.
Yeah. Can you please subscribe to my channel?
What was that?
Bro, it is so cold inside here. It's like I've been here for a half
Hours.
day, or hours and minutes and seconds. The seconds is more, and the minutes are actually a bit more and a bit less. And then the hours are just little, of course, less. Here, click on it. Wait, so we can have 5. Slay!
Could you stop saying that, girl?
Slay!
You really won't listen, won't you?
Slay! Did you hear that, guys?
Yes.
I'm not talking to you. I said guys. Stop it. Stop! Dude! Stop it. It's Camila. So, hi guys.
Yeah, sorry for
For part 3, comment what you want, okay?
Yeah, just please not in the US. It's kind of hard.
Yeah, not in the US. We're in the Philippines, so we can deliver it to you.
Yeah, like the most best of going to a holiday.
Yeah. Like, it's already 5 though. Can we make a Halloween?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, Halloween's coming.
Yeah, it's literally bare months right now.
Yeah, bare months. But only the Philippines have bare months, but not in the other countries.
Yeah, like we have the longest Christmas.
Yeah, bare months. We have the longest Christmas. Our Christmas bare months is actually 4 months. 4 months. Starting from September 1
To January 9.
Hey, January 9?
Yeah.
It should be Jan. There should be December 31. Yeah.
Really?
I'm so excited for the vacation.
Vacation. Yay.
For part 3, actually, maybe we're gonna make it tomorrow because we already have 14 minutes straight.
Yeah. And sooner or later, she might go home.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
I'm just gonna keep the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the video because this is my phone and she doesn't have any phone.
Yeah, my phone broke.
Wait, just phone?
Yeah, when I was 5, then my phone broke. Yeah, while I was charging it. Oh well, it will off screen. Hey, stop doing the Momo face. It's creeping me out. Seriously?
Do you have any orange?
Oh,
Just get it out.
variety of colors.
Variety of colors.
Okay, time for Hello Kitty.
Need green? Do you have green? Get me green.
Just get
Can you actually get Thomas here? So I can show him the video?
Oh, you meant Tommy? Yeah. His nickname's Tommy, actually.
But I call him Thomas. I
Mang Tomas.
Mang Tomas!
Mang Tomas. Hey, Tommy. It's kind of hard to know if they're closing their eyes. It's kind of hard.
Who's that again? The one standing? Give me.
Thomas. I mean,
Oh,
Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas. Mang
show us
Tomas.
the video.
The gravy. The gravy. You almost dropped Mang Tomas.
Get her. Get him. Show him the video.
This shit will be in my head.
For today's episode.
Yeah, I got to get him back.
Yeah. We're gonna
It's
get
kind of
him.
hard. Ow. Mangkulas, Mangkulas, Mangkulas.
Well, Mang Kulas, Mang Tomas. Are they twins?
Yeah.
Party.
The other one is just 1 minute older. It's gonna off screen again.
Bro, why do you keep up screening? Do I have anime? Sometimes when I talk, there's something right here. Some here is brown and this is white.
It looks like you're mewing.
Meow.
No, not that. It's not like that
Oh,
mewing.
cupcakes away.
Like this mewing. Ba 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 ba.
Wait, Loki's.
Lucky's a sleepyhead.
Yeah. Loki's a sleepyhead. And then just Loki. Ah.
Lucky's a dog.
And Loki and
Cupcake.
his
His dog.
child.
He made his own child pregnant.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
It's actually Cookie. But she's actually. I don't know.
She's kind of far.
Oh! Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it?
Cupcake! I just... Cupcake! No! Bad.
Are there triplets?
Nah. The other one's their tita.
Oh.
I think they went into an argument. Do you do an argument? Hit them with a ball.
I think I'm done here. Wait, is this actually good now?
Let me make sure.
Is this actually good now? The Halloween party.
Yeah, kind of looks good.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another one. So I'm gonna keep myself busy.
While I'm making myself busy.
Busy. Actually, stop.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, it's off screen. I got Hello Kitty.
Can you get Hello Kitty?
Wait, let me put There are many.
Zoe, you still needed 2 less this because that's a bit bigger.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let me just remove the part that the Hello Kitty that has been cut by accident.
Oh God! Jekoy Ibrahim.
Tabang.
I'm actually from the other country, and then I moved here.
Wait, you are?
Yeah,
Is that a fact?
I'm from the other country since I was born.
Oh.
I was born in Canada, but I moved here.
So that's why you know Filipino.
Yeah.
And the way you speak in English as kinda
Canadian.
Canadian.
Slay! Our slice is killing.
Slay means
guys.
killed. Thanks.
Hey, oh,
Are you okay?
my tooth. Ouch, my tooth.
You already have a wobbly tooth, you got another one.
I got bleed here, but my little sister banged it by a hammer.
Ooh.
3,000.
I'm trying to put it on my finger. It's gonna off screen. And it's just off screen.
Right.
Can you please stop showing the Stop.
This is Karami. This is cinnamon roll. This is my melody, and this is Pikachu. And then that's
Hello
Hello
Kitty.
Kitty.
Condo.
This is a Sanrio one.
This is a Sanrio. The other names, they're gonna be
Halloween.
Yeah.
And some of them are Christmas.
Now all I want for Christmas is you.
Stop shouting.
Oh yeah, I forgot my brother.
Hey, stop that. My. Oh.
Oh, it finally fixed. Wait, let me try that.
Wait, let me try it. Let me try it. For Christmas. Let me try it all of them. Gimme. Miss Pikachu is actually right here. Then Cinnamon is right here. Then my melody's right here. OMG, Slay!
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
They're so cute.
That's it. I'm actually not gonna hang it from.
Please, Hingy. Please subscribe.
Actually, I'm keeping those.
Bro.
No, you're gonna keep the other, like the Halloween and summer Christmas.
Bro, you're gonna keep the paper and put it right here. But don't forget it in the lunes.
Oh, just right.
A ghost? I'm gonna do a ghost because it's Halloween, right?
Yeah, it's almost Halloween. It's literally September.
Yeah.
The next month is next month is gonna be, October. October 31st is we're just kidding.
Halloween party. This doesn't even need any color because a ghost doesn't have any color.
Then we're oh my gosh. I just
She's a cinnamon roll lover, and I'm actually a melody, cinnamon roll, and caramel lover.
I also love Hello Kitty, and
She's wearing Hello Kitty organ.
as you can tell, my t-shirts.
Yeah. Maybe can I wake up Loki?
Yeah, sure. What could possibly go wrong? Oh my gosh! There, it just off screen there.
Okay, wait. Just wait. He fell asleep again.
Why does Hello Kitty have this sobra?
Now for today's episode, gonna make cheese.
Hello Kitty. Making Hello Kitty is kind of challenging.
Halloween party.
Then hurry up, then Yay! Wait.
Oh, MG, the pink is almost ubos.
As you can tell.
Yeah. Can you actually use these?
Yeah.
This is from
Use any color but not the ones that are ubos.
Yeah, almost ubos. I'm gonna organize
For
them.
example, is it?
Not that one.
For example, this one. This is cinnamon roll vibe, but yeah, it's ubos.
Yeah. Look at the gap. Look at that. Look at that. So we're not even going to use this. This is a cinnamon vibe.
Even though it's cinnamon roll vibe, I can't use it.
Yeah. My mom's gonna be angry, I think.
My mom's gonna me.
What's that? Kill?
Yeah.
I don't even like this. These are not even clay.
Yeah, those are clay.
Yeah. And you should be right here. No. You should be right here. So
No,
put it right here.
I'm trying to fix it.
Hurry up, Zoe. OMG.
You forgot about Pikachu.
Yeah. Just wait, okay? Just wait there. Ano yun nandun, Zoe?
Ano?
Ano yun nandun sa makeup na banda?
Sa
Pa.
Ay, bintana. It's so beautiful. The ultimate Sanrio finger. Sanrio finger. Hey girl, can I mew?
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah.
It's so hard to sit on this chair.
Yeah, as you still need to climb.
Yeah. From a bar chair, of course.
Like, look how short we are.
Yeah.
You can only see my head. I'm a working head now.
Yeah.
An osprey.
How tall is that?